At Battery Day, Tesla did not hold back, introducing a new tabless 4680 cell 4-factor, among other things. The new form factor eliminates tabs, enhances energy density, preserves thermal characteristics similar to smaller cells, improves power-to-weight ratio, streamlines manufacturing, and decreases cost. The 4680 battery is tirelessly giving other batteries a run for their money. Before we go into details, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And also turn on post notifications so you can be one of the first people to watch our amazing videos. To put it another way, bringing a potato gun to a French fry fight is the equivalent of bringing a potato gun to a French fry fight. Part 1 of what we know about Tesla's new 4860 cells is available now. First and foremost, a warm welcome to Tesla Future. We discuss the future of Tesla, Tesla stock, and Elon Musk's ideas in this episode. If you are new to our channel, it would be fantastic if you liked and subscribed. It is completely free, and you may change your mind at any time. This is a recent update. Berlin does not have a battery. Tesla's intentions for the initial battery needs and initiatives at Giga Berlin were revealed during the Q3 earnings call in late 2020. While plans for something as massive as a vehicle manufacturing plant are subject to alter, Tesla recognized that its initial battery fulfillment aspirations would most likely not come from the planned Giga Berlin 4680 cell production lines. Tesla will instead rely on its Kato Road factory in Northern California, which is working on the development and production of a new breakthrough electric vehicle battery. Let us know in the comments section below what battery you think is stronger. Tesla also intends to make use of its excellent contacts with battery cell suppliers to address supply issues during Giga Berlin's early production periods. Concerns about Tesla's planned timeframe for Giga Berlin have surfaced in recent days, particularly after a German media site reported that CEO Elon Musk was delaying the start of the German plant's EV manufacturing efforts until January 2022. While the exact start date for Giga Berlin is unknown, people close to the project, including Brandenburg Economic Minister Jörg Steinbach, believe production will begin in late summer or early fall 2021. Concerns about the Tesla Giga Berlin's beginning production schedule surfaced around the same time that rumors surfaced that Tesla had added plans for a 4680 battery manufacturing unit to its application. Because so many diverse elements are evaluated before anything is given final clearance, German regulators take a careful and relatively extended period for huge projects. Some speculated that the lengthy regulatory process would completely halt production attempts. Nonetheless, local sources in Germany have stressed that this just delays the project's completion and has little impact on the commencement of production. Because Tesla added another aspect to the Giga Berlin assault, the project will simply take longer to finish. As previously stated, the addition of the 4680 line to the application is likely to have generated some misunderstanding as to whether the Tesla Giga Berlin production lines would be ready on time. The manufacture of the Tesla 4680 in Berlin will not start before or at the same time as Tesla's automobile production in Germany. Tesla, on the other hand, never intended for the Berlin 4680 lines to handle the plant's initial vehicle production. When the Kato Road 4680 lines were accessible, Tesla intended to use them to supply Giga Berlin with cells. During Tesla's Q3 2020 earnings call, Drew Baglino, Senior Vice President of Powertrain and Energy Engineering, stated, "We will incorporate 4680 design solutions into a variety of applications over time, including energy and transportation, and we will be able to support the new factory in Berlin as it ramps up with our pilot production facility in Fremont." Tesla's battery suppliers are also being enlisted to help with the early efforts at Giga Berlin. During Tesla's most recent Q1 2021 earnings call, Musk stated that volume production of 4680 cells will take 12 to 18 months. While Tesla's manufacturing of the new 4680 battery may be a little behind schedule, there is no indication that the Giga Berlin will be put on hold entirely. Indeed, Musk stated that Tesla's suppliers, with whom the company has very strong partnerships, would be asked to supply cells as much as they possibly can. Musk stated the following: "It looks that we are roughly a year away from mass manufacturing of the 4680, and possibly not more than 18 months. At the same time, we are attempting to increase the supply of our cell supply partners as much as feasible." As a result, this is not anything that excludes providers. It is done in collaboration with vendors. As a result, we want to be quite clear about it. This is not about swapping out vendors. It is all about bolstering the supply chain. So we also have a great relationship with CATL, Panasonic, and LG. Please supply us with as much as you possibly can is our request to our strategic partners for cell supply. We will buy everything they can manufacture as long as the price is reasonable. This includes CATL, a Chinese battery manufacturer based in Shanghai that produces LFP cells for the Standard Range Plus Model 3. In 2019, CATL started construction on a cell manufacturing facility in Germany. In 2017, LG Chem began building an electric vehicle battery cell manufacturing facility in Poland, which might help Tesla support its battery operations in Germany. Both of these businesses have previously assisted Tesla with cells, and they will most likely complement Tesla's needs at Giga Berlin, as Musk requested during the Q1 2021 earnings call. Tesla was well aware that the 4680 lines in Berlin would not be able to handle the factory's early production phases. Instead, the first months of production at Giga Berlin will be handled by suppliers and its Kato Road 4680 lines in the United States. It is necessary to have a scale. Tesla was happy to buy cells with its own chemistry from its suppliers, but there were problems on the horizon. Tesla aspires to grow at a rate of 40 to 50% per year, and in order to do so, it will require an increasing number of batteries. Tesla's battery estimates revealed a discrepancy between its battery cell suppliers' production limits and Tesla's internal demand for its car and energy storage businesses. Tesla's teams have been hard at work buying and inventing new technical solutions to push additional advancements in the battery cell format in order to overcome this problem. Perhaps, more importantly, Tesla used its expertise in the field of battery cell manufacture, as well as its world-class manufacturing equipment expertise, to completely reinvent the process from start to end. In cell manufacturing, there has been a step-change improvement. Tesla swiftly moved beyond simply developing and creating things to designing the machine that makes the machine as it sought higher economies in vehicle manufacturing. Manufacturing is difficult, but Tesla's dedication drove it to build products that were easier to make. This was initially seen with the Model 3, and the effort has continued with each subsequent version. When it came time to design a new battery, Tesla started at the bottom and worked its way up. Musk's preoccupation with basic principles of thinking is shown in this. He strives to start every design, every conversation with the lowest common denominator, the most basic reality that connects our products to the minerals that make them up. After they have been established and refined numerous times, an optimum design can be constructed. With the acquisition of battery and supercapacitor pioneers Maxwell Technologies and Hybar Systems, Tesla established new ground truths in the battery business. Tesla learned its way through the development of its first gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada, by partnering with Grumman Automation, a manufacturer of manufacturing equipment. Grumman swiftly became the major developer for Tesla's Gigafactory 1's battery cell manufacturing lines, with the factory adding progressively advanced Grumman production lines when more cell production capacity was required. At Gigafactory 1, improving each of the primary components that make up a battery was beneficial and resulted in higher efficiency, but Tesla had a bigger goal: complete integration. Drew Baglino unpacked the vision now being fulfilled at Tesla at the company's Battery Day event. We can really accomplish that because we do not have any of these edge conditions between one piece of equipment and another because of the vertical integration with the machine design teams at Grumman, Hybar, and others. Baglino added, we can design the entire machine as a single machine and eliminate all of these extra steps. Tesla's unwavering commitment to vertical integration stems from a drive to remove inefficiencies and improve the product's long-term viability. Tesla's vertical integration has resulted in a much-needed cost reduction, lowering the cost of Tesla's goods over time. The new 4680 cell's tabless architecture has a direct impact on enhancing manufacturability. The table's design not only eliminates the requirement for a tab, but it also eliminates the need for production lines to pause to add tabs. The new tabless cells bypass this stumbling block, allowing a manufacturing line to hum along, rolling up and spitting out gigantic 4680 cells with fewer manufacturing faults. Baglino stated, "This is not just a concept or a rendering. At our pilot 10 gigawatt production facility just around the corner, we are starting to ramp up manufacturing of these cells." Tesla's Roadrunner project produced a pilot line for the production of 4680 cells, and CEO Elon Musk believes there is a clear path to scaling up the pilot line operations to gigawatt-hour and even terawatt-hour scale. Getting to the 10 gigawatt production capacity will take some time, Musk stated. In the next 12 months, the business intends to have smoothed out the problems in the new production lines. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video. Subscribe to our channel also for more helpful content and updates.